Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fidelity credit card. First, activate your card as soon as it arrives to begin using it. Next, familiarize yourself with the rewards program to know how you'll earn cash back. Then, set up your online account for easy access to statements and payments. Finally, take a moment to review your credit limit and annual percentage rate. Your Fidelity credit card offers a fantastic way to earn rewards. You'll typically earn 2% cash back on every eligible net purchase you make. The best part is you can directly deposit this cash back into a qualifying Fidelity brokerage or retirement account. This makes it simple to grow your investments or savings effortlessly, right from your credit card rewards. Managing your Fidelity credit card account is straightforward. Regularly check your transactions online to spot any unauthorized activity quickly. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date and avoid late fees. Always review your monthly statements for accuracy. If you ever have questions or encounter a problem, Fidelity customer service is ready to assist you. It's important to understand your card's annual percentage rate, or APRA, to manage your finances effectively. To save money, try to pay your balance in full each month and avoid carrying a balance, which accrues interest. Your Fidelity card also comes with robust fraud protection, giving you peace of mind. Remember to report a lost or stolen card immediately to prevent unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.